Welcome to Enchanted Journeys. Today we set sail on a vibrant voyage to the land of the morning calm, South Korea, a country that's a captivating blend of old and new, tradition and innovation, serenity and dynamism. Our journey will take us through pulsating cities, down memory lanes marked by poignant historical sites, and into the heart of stunning natural wonders. We will dive into the bustling life of modern Korea, savoring its culinary delights and experiencing the warm hospitality of its people. Every corner of this enchanting country has a story to tell, a beat of its own, a breath that speaks of beauty, resilience and innovation. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey, uncovering the many faces of South Korea. Let's set the stage with the heartbeat of the nation, Seoul. Join us as we delve into the vibrant rhythm of this magnificent city. Welcome to the pulsing heart of South Korea, vibrant city of Seoul, where history and modernity exist side by side. In the heart of Seoul, the Gyeongbokgung Palace stands tall and proud. A remarkable testament to South Korea's historical grandeur, this royal palace is a constant reminder of the country's rich past. With its ornate architecture and intricate detailing, it's a sight to behold, standing in stark contrast with the sleek modern skyscrapers that now define Seoul's skyline. But this is Seoul, a city where the old and new coexist harmoniously. From the grandeur of Gyeongbokgung Palace, we dive headfirst into the city's pulsating rhythm, brought to life by the global cultural phenomenon of K-pop. Born on these very streets, K-pop is more than just music in Seoul. It's a vibrant culture, a way of life. Catchy beats and synchronized dance moves captivated hearts worldwide, yet nowhere is the passion for K-pop more palpable than in its hometown. Yet, amidst the high-energy beats and the urban rush, Seoul offers pockets of tranquility. The city's serene temples provide a peaceful retreat from the bustling city life. These sanctuaries, with their beautifully crafted pagodas and tranquil gardens, offer a moment of quiet reflection. They are places where the past and present meet, where the hustle and bustle of city life yields to the calm rhythm of chanting monks, the soft rustle of leaves in the wind. This is Seoul, a city where the ancient and the avant-garde, the tranquil and the dynamic exist side by side. It's a city that beats to its own rhythm, a rhythm that's as diverse and vibrant as the people who call it home. As we leave the bustling streets of Seoul, we carry with us a sense of the city's dynamic spirit and the harmony of its contrasting elements. Join us as we continue our journey with Enchanted Journeys, exploring the many faces of South Korea, a land where every heartbeat and every breath tells a story of beauty, resilience, and innovation. Our journey now takes us to the demilitarized zone, a place of deep significance and a testament to South Korea's resilience. Stretching across the Korean peninsula, the demilitarized zone, or DMZ, stands as a symbol of a divided past. Yet it is far from a place of despair. Rather, it's a testament to the indomitable spirit of the Korean people and their capacity to rise from the ashes, forging a path of progress and innovation. In the shadow of this symbolic divide, South Korea has become a global epicenter of technology. From the creation of the world's first digital city, Sokcho, to the development of cutting-edge robotics, South Korea's technological prowess is awe-inspiring. It's a place where you can unlock your phone with the blink of an eye, where robots are your shopping assistants, and where your fridge can suggest what to cook for dinner. But South Korea's influence doesn't stop at technology. It has also made its mark on the global cultural landscape. The Hallyu wave, or the Korean wave, has swept across the globe, bringing with it an irresistible blend of catchy K-pop tunes, effective dramas, and colorful variety shows. From the iconic dance moves of Seoul's Gangnam Style to the global phenomenon that is BTS, South Korea's pop culture is a force to be reckoned with. Yet despite its rapid modernization and global influence, South Korea never forgets its roots. This is evident in the DMZ itself, where nature has found a way to thrive amidst the tension. The area has become an unexpected wildlife sanctuary, a poignant reminder of the resilience of life in the face of adversity. So as we stand here in the DMZ, we're not just looking at a border. We're looking at a place that embodies the spirit of South Korea. A place of past conflict that has given rise to a nation of technological marvels and cultural phenomena. From a place of historical tension, South Korea has emerged as a beacon of innovation and cultural influence. We venture now to Jeju Island, paradise of volcanic landscapes and crystal clear waters. In the heart of South Korea, this gem of an island captures the imagination of all who visit, serving as a serene sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Jeju Island, also known as the Island of the God, is a dream destination for nature lovers. Its rich biodiversity and unique geographical features create a world of enchanting beauty that truly feels like stepping into a fairy tale. The island is home to Halasan Mountain, the highest peak in South Korea, whose dormant volcanic crater now houses a stunning crater lake. The island's charm extends beneath the surface too, with a fascinating network of lava tubes. These natural tunnels, formed by flowing lava, offer a unique adventure as you explore their shadowy depths. Among them, Manjangul Cave is the longest and is considered one of the finest lava tunnels in the world. The coastline of Jeju is just as captivating. The island's crystal clear waters are a haven for divers and beach buffs alike. The southern coast in particular is famous for its soft, sandy beaches and azure waters, reminiscent of a tropical paradise. But Jeju's allure isn't just in its natural beauty. The island is also home to a unique cultural heritage. The Haenyeo, or sea women, are female divers who have been harvesting seafood from the ocean's floor for centuries without the use of oxygen tanks. Practice recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. Jeju Island is a place where every sunrise paints a new picture of beauty, where every trail leads to a breathtaking vista, and where every wave that laps against the shore sings a lullaby, tranquility. This jewel of South Korea, with its rich tapestry of natural wonders and cultural traditions, offers a tranquil retreat from the world. Jeju Island, testament to the stunning natural beauty that South Korea has to offer, leaves us spellbound. It's a place that invites you to lose yourself in its serenity, find peace amidst its verdant landscapes, and to leave with memories that will last a lifetime. Next, we find ourselves in Busan, a city where the excitement of film festivals meets the vibrancy of bustling fish markets. As the second largest city in South Korea, Busan is a hub of dynamic energy, seamlessly blending the old and new. The city is a home to the Busan International Film Festival, an annual event that has become a beacon for movie enthusiasts across the globe. It's not just about the silver screen here, though. The festival also celebrates the artistry behind the camera, bringing together filmmakers, actors, and fans in a grand celebration of storytelling. Busan's dynamism doesn't stop at film reels. The city is also renowned for its seafood markets. The Jogyesa fish market, for instance, is a must-visit. With a dizzying array of marine delicacies, it's a seafood lover's dream come true. The market pulses with energy from dawn till dusk, with vendors hawking their fresh catches of the day, from octopus to shellfish and everything in between. The best part? Dive into a scrumptious seafood feast right there on the spot. But Busan isn't just about film festivals and fish markets. Its dynamism extends to its lively nightlife, its vibrant shopping districts, and its thriving arts. City streets pulse with energy, each corner revealing something new and exciting, from bustling night markets to contemporary art installations. The city's charm lies in its ability to surprise and delight at every turn. Busan's dynamism is also reflected in its people. The locals are warm and welcoming, their hospitality as inviting as the city itself. They are the lifeblood of Busan, their energy and spirit adding to the city's vibrant tapestry. Busan is a city that's always on the move, always evolving, but always staying true to its roots. It's a city that embraces its past while looking forward to the future. Its dynamism a testament to South Korea's resilience and innovative spirit. As we bid farewell to Busan, we take with us a taste of its energetic lifestyle and cultural richness. No journey through South Korea would be complete without indulging in its culinary delights. South Korea is a gastronomic paradise, a place where food is not just sustenance, but a vibrant celebration of culture and community. Our first stop is the bustling streets of Insadong, where the aroma of street food wafts through the air, tempting every passerby. Here we find a glorious array of treats, from the sweet, honey-filled confection known as yakgwa to the spicy, chewy teokbokki. Each bite is a burst of flavor, testament to the rich tapestry of Korean street food. But the culinary journey doesn't stop there. Next, we delve into the savory perfection of Korean BBQ. Imagine sitting around a sizzling grill as thin slices of marinated meat. Perfection. The sound of the sizzle, the aroma of the marinade, and the sight of the succulent meat all combine to create an unforgettable sensory experience. Whether it's the tender samgyeopsal pork belly or the juicy bulgogi beef, each morsel is a delight that has you reaching for more. Yet the art of Korean cuisine extends far beyond street food. It's a cuisine steeped in tradition and precision, where each dish tells a story. Take kimchi, for instance, a fermented dish. It's not just a staple side, but a symbol of patience and preservation. Or bibimbap, a colorful bowl of mixed rice, vegetables, and meat, showcasing the harmony of different ingredients coming together. It's also worth mentioning drink that often accompanies this meal, soju. This clear, potent spirit is the perfect companion to the flavorsome Korean cuisine, adding a lively touch to the dining experience. And let's not forget the bustling food markets, where you can witness the fresh catch of the day being transformed into delicious seafood dishes, or the traditional tea houses, where the ritual of tea preparation adds a serene touch to your colorful journey. The flavors of South Korea, from the streets of Insadong to succulent Korean BBQ, leave a lasting impression on the palate. So, let's raise our glasses of soju and toast the culinary delights of this incredible country. We find ourselves now at the Jogyesa Temple, a place where tradition and modernity come together in a beautiful harmony. This isn't just a temple. It's a living testament to Korea's ability to balance the old with the new, the spiritual with the bustling urban life. Let's talk about the lantern festivals. The sight is simply breathtaking. Thousands of colorful lanterns, each meticulously handcrafted, float in the air, casting a warm glow that illuminates the night sky. It's not just about aesthetics. Each lantern carries a deep symbolism. They represent the light of wisdom, illuminating the world and banishing the darkness of ignorance. They also stand as a beacon of hope, testament to the human spirit's resilience in pursuit of enlightenment. The Lantern Festival is a time of celebration, unity, and reflection. It's a moment when the entire community comes together, irrespective of age or status, to appreciate the beauty of life and the spiritual journey. The festival is not just a spectacle, but a shared experience, a collective expression of joy, hope, and reverence. But what about the temple itself? Jogyesa Temple isn't just a venue for the Lantern Festival, it's a significant landmark in Korean culture, a symbol of spiritual resilience. Originally built in the late 14th century, it's one of the most important Buddhist temples in Korea. Despite the passage of time and the onslaught of modernization, the temple has maintained its traditional architecture and spiritual significance. It's a sanctuary in the heart of a bustling city, a place where you can hear the subtle hum of chanting monks amidst the city's cacophony. It stands as a reminder that even in the face of rapid technological advancement and urbanization, there's a space for tranquility, reflection, and spiritual growth. The Jogyesa Temple, with its vibrant lantern festivals, offers us a glimpse into the harmonious blend of tradition and modernity in South Korea. It's a testament to the country's ability to respect and preserve its rich cultural heritage while embracing the future with open arms. The temple, much like South Korea itself, is a beautiful symphony of contrasts, a melody that resonates with the rhythms of both the past and the present. Our journey through South Korea wouldn't be complete without acknowledging the warmth and hospitality of its people. As we've traversed this enchanting land, from the pulsating heart of Seoul to the serene beauty of Jeju Island, we've been met at every turn by the genuine warmth and hospitality of the Korean people. Their kindness is etched into the fabric of this country, as inherent as the ancient traditions and as vibrant as the cutting-edge technology. This hospitality is not limited to grand gestures. It's in the way strangers guide you through winding city streets, in the heartfelt welcome of a local tea house owner, and in the infectious enthusiasm of a street food vendor introducing you to a new dish. It's in the proud smiles of artisans showcasing centuries-old crafts, and in the passionate chants of K-pop fans sharing their love for the music that has taken the world by storm. And then there are the cultural festivals. Oh, the festivals! Each one is a riot of color, a cacophony of sound, a whirlwind of dance and music and laughter. They offer a glimpse into the soul of this nation, where tradition and modernity walk hand in hand. Whether it's the mesmerizing Lantern Festival at Jogyesa Temple or the lively drumming at the Andong Mask Dance Festival, each celebration is a testament to the enduring spirit and vibrant culture of this incredible country. But the warmth of Korea is not confined to its cities. Venture into the countryside and you'll find it in the tranquil beauty of the landscapes, from the lush tea fields to the quaint coastal villages. Here life moves at a slower pace, but the hospitality remains just as warm, the smiles just as welcome. As we conclude our journey through South Korea, we are left with a sense of the country's beauty, resilience, and the warm hospitality of its people. We've explored the pulse of cities and the calm of the countryside, experienced the dynamism of cultural festivals and the serenity of ancient temples. And through it all, we felt the warmth of Korea, a warmth that invites us to return to explore further, keep experiencing this enchanting land. We draw our enchantment